Hey guys, how's it going? It's been raining all day, so I've just kind of been stuck in the house. My wife's gone doing some volleyball. She likes playing volleyball. So she's had a tournament today or something. But anyway, I worked this morning on loading some hay and getting a few things done around the shop. But I kind of ran out of anything to do as far as, well, I had plenty I could do. You just ever get overdoing stuff all the time. I just thought I'd come home while it was raining and make some videos. So that's what I've been doing. I've been editing my snow pushing videos, and I've got one uploading right now. But I just thought I'd take a minute and kind of explain to y'all how I make a video. So, first of all, you got to have a camera. And you don't have to have anything fancy, but I'm going to show you what I use to make all my videos, every single one of them. This is the only thing I use, this right here. This is the only camera I use. There's been twice, I think, that I've used my phone in conjunction with this right here. I just used my phone as a secondary camera to get another view at the same time I was using this camera. So, all this right here this is a waterproof protective case that I keep the skeleton back on it, so it's actually not waterproof. So that way y'all can hear me better, because I don't use a microphone. I probably should use a microphone at times. But I haven't got one yet. I don't exactly know what I should get to go with this. I'm sure some of y'all have got a suggestion, so leave a suggestion if you have a microphone that you like to use with a GoPro. This is a Hero 4 Silver Edition camera. I bought it brand new. I think I bought it on Amazon. But I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to the stuff you see in this video. Let me get over here. This magnetic camera mount. This is my most favorite camera mount. Of course, this case comes with the GoPro, and it comes with different backs. It comes with a waterproof back, this skeleton back, and it also comes with a one that you can touch. It's kind of in between the waterproof. It's not completely waterproof, but it's supposed to be able to let you use the screen. See, this has got a touch screen on the back of it, so you can view what you've videoed on the camera, and you can also use it to set the camera up. So you want to get in a certain angle, you don't have to connect it to your phone. You can connect it to your phone and look at the view that the camera is showing you. I used to try to do that, but it was just more aggravation than it was worth. So I just quit doing that and just started using the viewfinder on the back of the camera. So I kind of like having that. They make them that don't have the screen, or cheaper cameras. I don't know that you can buy this camera brand new anymore, but I did see refurbished ones of these cameras, and I would trust the refurbished ones, and they're much cheaper, about half what I paid for this new. So that's probably the link that I'll put in the description, is the refurbished ones. You can go to the newer cameras like the Hero 5 and stuff if you'd rather do that. But this camera has done me a good job. I don't even have an extra battery for it. That's something I need to get, is extra battery. I know I have a lot of different views on my channel. Like, what do I mean by that? I mean, like, I'll have a view of this camera, or I'll have a shot of outside the tractor, let's say, and then you'll hear me talking while you're watching outside the tractor or outside the piece of equipment I'm operating, and then you'll be back in the cab and I'll still be talking. I'm still using the same camera. It's just all that is in the editing. and I want to show you what I edit with. So these are my main tools. This and this mount right here. It is magnetic. It's like trying to do this in a mirror. Yeah, every way I move it the opposite way I think I'm moving it. All right, this is a rubber coated magnet, so it doesn't mess up your paint on your vehicle, tractor, implements, whatever I stick this thing to. And this camera basically stays on this magnetic base all the time, and you can loosen this wing nut right here, and you can adjust it. You can fold it all the way over. Right we go. So if you want to stick it to the side of something, of course you want the camera facing away from whatever you have it stuck to. But I've stuck it to buildings, excavator booms, tractor hoods, tractor cabs, just everything. Snow plows, snow blowers, just anything you can think of. I've stuck this excavator tracks. I even had it in an excavator track, and it made a really cool shot. But anyway, I really like this thing, and I want to put a link to it in the description. So anyway, that is what I use to film with. And of course, you know, to make a good video, you got to have good content and a good camera to record it. I'm not going to say that I always have great content, but I try. I try to make it interesting and try to edit out the boring parts, or speed through them, you know. But anyway, I'm going to use my phone here, and I want to show you what I am editing with. So how to operate this phone. I'll get the camera going here. I just took a picture of y'all. But all right, I am using a Mac computer. Now, do I remember exactly what model it is? No, but I'm going to find it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I think it does have a 4K screen. It's like a 21-inch screen on it, an 8GB processor. It ain't nothing. It's like the middle grade. When I bought it, it was the middle grade. It come with wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, and it come with iMovie, which is this little icon right here, and it's actually what we're filming this with. So I'm going to close out this camera right here. Let's see. I got to turn off my recording though. We're going to stop recording, and then see, I've got a video here. So I'm going to pull it down here, drag and drop. We'll go over here and spread this video out a little bit because it's all bunched up. So here is the timeline of the video that you just watched me make. See, and now I can start it.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's been raining all
So now I can edit it. I can stop it. I can put a break in it. We'll go down here. I got a command to do a break, and then I can cut out a part of it right here. Now watch this. So see. See, I just cut out a part of the video, and I could add a clip right here where I cut that out, or I can add a cross dissolve which kind of smoothly transitions. See, that's pretty cool. So this is what I use to edit my videos. I can do all kinds of stuff. You can add music if you want. I don't do a lot of music. You can speed stuff up, slow it down. cut out what you don't want, add clips. You can go into your computer right here, go find, and you can go find, like in my backup device, and I've got hundreds and hundreds of videos right here. You can pull a clip out of any of them, and we're just doing a random clip here. I have no clue what this video is. Everything's, you know, everything's done by date, or you can name them, but I don't take time to name every single video. So let's say I want to import that into my video, and it puts it up here. Now I decide where I want to put it at. Now right here is a break that I made in the video. Let's just stick this right here. Okay, so, and we'll put a cross dissolve, and this is all just for just so y'all kind of get an idea of what I do when I'm making y'all video. So see, now we got this clip in the middle of our video, and it goes down here. This is a super long clip apparently, and now we're coming up to the end of the clip. I just moved it over, and we'll go right back where we're at. So that's how that works. I know I'm going over this kind of fast, but you know, I hope y'all can get an idea of what I do while I'm editing. So let's see this video, you can see that I'm walking around looking at my camera. I don't want y'all to see all that crap, me going and getting in the dozer. So what I do is I go over here, and I can shorten all that by just taking it away, see? And I can make it go right where I want it. So I say I want the video to start there. And then we can watch and see what I did. See, I took out the part where I was adjusting the camera and all that great stuff. And that's what really makes a good video. Keep it, you know, I'm not an expert or anything. I'm just self-taught, but keep the action going the best you can. You know, take out take out this stuff right here, walking to the machine, moving the camera. Take all that stuff out and just get it straight to the point, straight to what are we watching. Let's get it to that, you know, let's just get it to what's going on. That's what people are here to see, not camera movements and you walking around, screwing around. And I'm not, you know, picking on anybody. I'm just saying this is what I've learned over time, and I'm getting close to 20,000 subscribers. So I must be doing something. I'm not going to say I'm doing the greatest job in the world, but I must be doing something okay, or halfway right. So anyway. I hope you might have learned a little bit of something about how I make my videos. Once I get them done, I save them. I'll show you what I do up here. I go up here, and you go right here, and I save it. You can actually upload straight to YouTube, and I used to do that, but you can't edit anything until the video is uploaded. You can edit the description and stuff, but you can't choose your thumbnail. And I like to choose my own thumbnail, and that's a whole nother video and story of how I do that. But and if y'all are interested in knowing how I make a thumbnail, it's really, really simple, but I could make another video if y'all are even interested in this. But anyway, I just save it to a file, and I save it. You just put a description, what you want to call it, or put a description, and here's where your title goes that y'all see when I upload, and just put that in, and then you tell it next, and then my computer's being kind of slow because I'm uploading the video right now, and I got a bunch of stuff open, but I save it to finished videos on my external hard drive. I have like a 4 terabyte external hard drive because I need a lot of space, and I just hit save, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want to save this. But anyway, when I decide to do that, I go to YouTube, and I'll show you how I do that. It's pretty simple. I go to YouTube, and here's YouTube. This is my page where I edit videos. This is a brand new video right here that's uploading. It says 30% complete. It's probably going to be already uploaded by the time, it will be uploaded by the time this video is uploaded, because I can't upload this one before this one because it's already uploaded. What I do is you go over here. Once this video gets transferred to that file that finished video file that I save it in, I hit upload video, and then I hit select files to upload, and then I go over here and I go to my Dennis's backup finished video folder, and I choose the video I want and hit choose, and it will start uploading. And once you start uploading, you can start editing your description, put your tags in, and all that great stuff. So yeah, I hope you learn a little bit about what I do and what I go through here to make a video. Maybe some of y'all have been considering making videos, and hopefully this will help you out a little bit. If you got any questions, you can ask me, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Also, I have become an Amazon affiliate. I'm going to put links to the stuff that I use. I may put some links to some of the tools I use, like my Leatherman Wave multi-tool. I use it all the time. My flashlight that I use all the time. Stuff like that. I'll put some links to some other things, but if you'll go to those links, you can shop for anything on Amazon through my link, and it helps my channel out, helps it to pull in a little more revenue, so I can buy what I would like to buy when I get enough money is a drone to add to my collection, and another camera so I can get 2 views at once. But I've been doing it with the single camera for 2 years now, and y'all seem to love my videos, most of you. Yeah, but I would like to add to my camera collection and get a nice drone to get some aerial footage of stuff for y'all. So if you help me out with my Amazon links, I should be able to afford a drone through making my videos and my affiliates, and that's awesome, because it's, it really is great to be able to, your hobby to fund itself, because I don't really have the money to be wasting on this stuff, but if it funds itself, then I can do it. So I appreciate y'all's help. Appreciate all of y'all watching my channel. It's been a little over 2 years now since my channel's been active for years, but I really started uploading about November 2 years ago, and started making videos that people actually like to watch, apparently. So, alright, I hope you learned something from this video, and we'll see y'all later.